Welcome to SEPAM. Today we are going to review igcse paper 2 variant 2 May-June 2022. igcse physics paper 2 variant 2 May-June 2022. So this paper had the duration of 45 minutes. You need your pencil, your pen, your calculator to do this paper. And my objective is to see how I can help you build up your grade so that at the end you can come with that A+. That is our agenda for setting up this channel, how to improve the grade of students. So you are the right place. So let's get started as we go through this paper. Right? Question 13. What factor does the pressure at S depend on the depth? Pressure is equal to density times gravitational field strength. Gravity strength times the depth. The condition of a sample of gas change in 2 stages. Stage 1. Increase of temperature at constant volume. Okay. Increase of temperature at constant volume. That's Charles' law. Stage 2. Increase of volume with no further change of temperature. The volume decrease but no change in volumes in temperature. So if you look at that, the increase in volume without change in temperature, so you have that. So look at that, you are increasing the volume but the temperature is not changing, so it remain constant. So stage 1, what happened? The pressure increases with respect compared to the original pressure. Stage 2, the pressure compared to the pressure after stage 1 decreases. So you can see that pressure decreases as volume is increasing. So that is that. So that's why you see that C is the correct answer. Okay. So let's look at question 15. Small pollen particles are suspended in water, that is Brownian motion. When viewed in a microscope, the pollen particle can be seen to be moving about irregularly. What causes this movement? Now, the water molecule are bombarding the pollen grain. We cannot see the water molecule, but we can see the pollen grain. So, what does it mean? It means that pollen particles are being bombarded by the lighter particles of water. So none of other, so the answer is B. Question 16. The diagram shows a liquid in gas thermometer. Which physical property of thermometer is used to measure the temperature? Expansion of liquid. B. Now let's look at question 17. It has to do with the latent heat. A block of lead of mass 500 gram is at its melting point. The latent heat of fusion is 223 kilojoule per kg. How much energy is required to completely melt the block? So the energy is ml. Energy is the mass of the block times latent heat. So you do that, that will give me 11,500. So approximately 12,000 joule. Okay, what is responsible for the sweating of the glass? Condensation. One end of a copper bar is heated to a high temperature. Which mechanism is responsible for the transfer of thermal energy to the other end of that? Okay, the lattice vibration of copper ion and the movement of high energy molecule, that is B. Four cubic copper containers are heated with water. The surface of all the containers are painted black. So now in this investigation, the surface have the same color. Two of the container have size of like 20 cm and the other container have size of length 40 cm. Two of the container contain water at 60 degree and the other two at 30 degree. Which container radiates more energy at which one radiates energy at the lowest rate? So if you look at it, which one radiates energy at the lowest rate? Okay, I think you have the surface area and then you have the temperature. So which one radiates energy at the lowest rate? The smaller area and the smaller surface. So the higher the temperature of an object, the higher the rate of heat emission. The larger the surface area, the more the thermal energy. So the answer is A. So which is the smallest area and then the smallest temperature, lowest temperature.
Do you want to get an A+ in Cambridge igcse Physics? Make the smart choice of subscribing to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. For sure you will benefit from Mr. Matthew wealth of experience of preparing students to get an A+ in physics.